So I took a shot right now and it was too much to the side, but I have the softbox specifically where it's at for shade because I didn't want that sun to be on her face. She'd be like squinting and all that. So to avoid the issue that I have right now where there's too much shadow because it's too much to the side of the face, I'm gonna grab a secondary light and add it to the front. So let me go ahead and do that. You'll probably grab that because it's not too windy right now. Yeah, do the secondary light. And you can hand hold it. Okay. Okay. Just to make sure there's no shadow in the face, probably like right here. I'm gonna tell you to go as close as possible and then I'll tell you to pull back. All right, go closer, much closer, 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 closer. All right, go back, 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 and there. All right, 1, 2, and 3. Wait, I don't even know what channel or what power output that's on. 1/4? Okay, I'm putting it to half now. Okay, all right, one more time. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, yeah, I filled in the face a bit. Get a little bit, yeah, right where you're at, right there. Okay, main power is on half, and the second one is gonna be half plus 2/3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, too much. All right, try again. All right, look at me. 1, 2, 3. And then probably off to that side, like a little bit, slightly a little bit up. Yeah. All right. Like the eyes up a little bit. Okay. All right. Right there. 1, 2, and 3. I want a tiny little bit more ambient, so what I'm gonna do is just add one more stop. Go to 1/125th, and then change the output of all the lights. One stop lower. One more time. 1, 2, and 3. All right, that's one looking away and then looking at me. And if anything, maybe the hand, the exact same pose you had, but I want the tip of the finger to be closer to this way. Yeah, like that. All right, 1, 2, and 3. That looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab behind the scenes, which requires me to go a mile away. Okay, so I gotta go over here.